Xiaomi Desktop Speaker Pro Set Review. Best Premium Desktop Speaker Set for PC Gaming and Music. In this video, I'm reviewing the Xiaomi Desktop Speaker Pro set to find out whether its wireless subwoofer, stereo sound, RGB lighting, and gaming features make it one of the best premium speaker setups for your desktop. And the Xiaomi Desktop Speaker Pro set is tagged with this video, so you can check the product directly while watching and compare the current price and available options. Starting with the main speaker, Xiaomi uses two 10-watt racetrack drivers together with two passive radiators. The speaker is angled upward at 53 degrees, which is specifically designed to direct sound toward your normal listening position when sitting at a desk. But the big upgrade with the Pro set is the dedicated wireless subwoofer. It uses a 96mm long-throw driver with a tuned acoustic port and extends the bass response down to a claimed 60 Hz. The subwoofer communicates with the main speaker through a low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless connection, so you don't need an audio cable running between the two units. For gaming, movies, and music, Xiaomi includes 5 DSP-tuned EQ modes: music, bass, vocals, game, and movie. Game mode is designed to emphasize positional audio, while bass mode makes better use of the dedicated subwoofer. Connectivity is another strong point. You can connect through USB, Bluetooth 5.3, or a standard AUX input, making the system suitable for PCs, laptops, phones, tablets, and other compatible devices. You also get a built-in microphone with acoustic echo cancellation for voice calls and meetings, plus a separate 3.5mm microphone input if you want to connect an external mic. And if you're building an RGB gaming setup, Xiaomi has included 24 RGB LEDs in the main speaker and another 5 LEDs in the subwoofer. There are 6 lighting effects, and the subwoofer can synchronize its lighting, volume, and sound settings with the main unit. For additional customization, Xiaomi provides its C-Hub software for compatible computers. Connect the speaker through USB, and you can adjust supported audio and lighting settings from the software. Setup is also simple because the main speaker and wireless subwoofer come pre-paired. Normally, you just connect power to both units and they should communicate automatically. If pairing is lost, Xiaomi provides a reset and repairing procedure. Here's a pro tip. If you're using this primarily with a gaming PC, choose USB rather than Bluetooth whenever practical. A direct wired audio connection removes Bluetooth from the signal path and is the more sensible choice when minimizing latency matters. So, is the Xiaomi Desktop Speaker Pro set worth buying? If you want a clean desktop system with stereo sound, a dedicated wireless subwoofer, multiple EQ modes, RGB lighting, USB and Bluetooth connectivity, and gaming-focused features, this is a very attractive all-in-one package. However, if your priority is studio-grade accuracy rather than gaming, movies, bass, and entertainment, dedicated powered monitor speakers may be a better choice. Overall, the Xiaomi Desktop Speaker Pro set looks particularly compelling for gamers and everyday PC users who want significantly more bass and immersion than basic desktop speakers, without filling the desk with large separate speakers. The Xiaomi Desktop Speaker Pro set is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product to see the current pricing and decide whether it fits your desktop setup. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which desktop speaker system you want me to review next.